Now it's time for dessert, and I'm gonna make a beautiful blueberry cake, not pie, cake. I'm gonna start by getting my cake batter together. I need some regular old AP flour. 1 cup, that looks good. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. That's gonna help my cake rise. And a little bit of salt. Okay, that's all the dry. And we'll mix those all together so nothing clumps up. Okay, dry ingredients ready. Wet ingredients. Butter and my sugar. Sugar really is considered a wet ingredient because it dissolves. I'm gonna start blending that together before I put my eggs in. And I'm just looking for my sugar to dissolve into my butter. And this is softened butter, very important for this particular recipe. I'm gonna throw 1 egg in, just until it's incorporated. Then the other one goes in. A little bit of vanilla, and then start with my dry ingredients. So I've got it on low because I don't want to cover myself in flour. 1 scoop around. Now I'm just gonna get this into a 9-inch springform pan that's already been sprayed and floured. Just wanna get it all on the bottom. Is there anything better than cake batter? No. Okay, time to get my blueberries ready. Got frozen blueberries, a lemon. You can use fresh blueberries if you like. These are a little less expensive. They've been washed and drained. First, I'm gonna put some lemon zest in there, because I love lemon zest. Okay, there's my zest. Just a little bit of the juice. Now, get a little flour in there, because you wanna coat all the blueberries with some flour so they don't all sink to the bottom of the cake. And then I'm gonna get some cinnamon. And then this just goes right on top of my batter. Try to hit every inch. So all this beautiful batter is gonna rise up like a cake does and surround my blueberries, and the blueberries are gonna sink down into the cake, and it's just the most delicious thing. This goes into the oven at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes. I've got my cake out of the oven, so while it's cooling, I'm gonna prepare my lemon-mascarpone topping. I've got my mascarpone, it's room temp, and then add just a 1/4 cup of whipping cream. First, just mix these together, get them married. And then I got a vanilla bean, because that's really where all the intense flavor is. All I have to do is cut it down the middle, just to expose the beans. And then I use the non-sharp part of the knife and just slide it down. It's coming right up, like vanilla caviar. Intense vanilla. Right, goes right in. And then a little bit of honey, just about a tablespoon, just to sweeten it. The mascarpone is sweet, but not sweet enough for a topping. And then, of course, the final touch. It is me, Valerie, after all. I gotta add some lemon zest. So I'm gonna zest this whole lemon. I love the tartness of the lemon with the sweetness of the cream and the honey. I'm gonna get my vanilla bean in there. There it goes. Okay, that is all mixed together. Now there's the final little touch. Sugar snow. That looks beautiful. I have to take a slice. I want you to see what it looks like inside. Look at how all the blueberries just crumble in there. Ooh. Grab a little bit of this gorgeous cream, put it right on top. Take a bite. It's so delicious.